Hello and welcome back to my channel. As for today, we are going to review a product sent by Asus ROG Malaysia. Thank you very much. The set of mouse and a keyboard. But we will go through the mouse first. ROG Strix Impact 2 Moonlight White. Is it suitable for gaming, working, or even editing? What makes it so special? Let's find out. The box is minimalist. It has an Aura Sync logo which can be controlled in app software. When you bought this product, this is what you are getting. A complete manual guidebook and warranty. A soft mouse cable. And your lightweight white mouse. The ROG Strix Impact 2 Moonlight White version optical gaming mouse. Let's look at the design and features. The design is catching my eyes as it looks like a cyborg Gundam-ish design on the front face, or like a Lamborghini's butt with a superpower exhaust fire hole. On the top face, you will have an RGB logo and scrolling wheel with RGB, and it can change into different colors. You have additional thumb button to click on the side of the mouse. 2 button. It is the most lightweight build and ergonomics for a long hours of use with 79 gram and 120 mm, 62 mm, 39 mm dimension, which suits with your hand. The DPI up to 6200, and you can change the sensitivity level with 4 level. Exclusive push fit switch socket designed to easily vary click resistance and extend the lifespan of the mouse. And the most important thing for a mouse is this 4 white tiles grip for a smoother movement, and you have also additional black dots for the grips. One more important part is this USB 3.0 gold plated versions. Another important special features about this mouse is you can open up on these holes using a screw and then open inside. After that, you can remove this clicker without any soldering. Just pop it out, this tiny thing called as Omron. So if your clicker got broken, just replace this item and put it back inside, then you can use it back. For ROG products owners, these main apps will be your playground to play with customization and illumination lighting. You can download Armory Create, Aura Sync, and Aura Creator inside your computer to customize your clicking shortcut, RGB lighting, including rhythmic lighting based on your music, and also the latest update for your mouse. Such as example, just clicking this button to choose whether you are using the ROG Strix scope, keyboard, or your gaming motherboard, or your mouse. And if there is any update, you just update it. But first, check for this thing. You can change your aura setting or the glowing part with the rainbow cycling, music effect, smart strobing, starry night.
Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you rock? Are you ready? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you rock? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to rock?
As long as you use a non-wireless mouse, it does not affect much of any latency delay, but the clicking sound is superior. Now I'm just trying to play around with my Elden Ring game to get the experience. All I can say, if you are playing the Elden Ring, it all depends on your skill. but this mouse and keyboard help to refine that skill. To be honest, I didn't quite like using a wired mouse, but with this mouse it is in a different level of wired gaming mouse, as you can move around your mouse without realizing it has cable on it. The cable is too soft. They are understanding the user's need. For the clicking and handling the mouse, I can give 8 per 10. For the other two, if they can make a little bit larger size of the mouse, then it's better. Unit pricing is 180 ringgit to 250 ringgit based on seller, and you can buy on the link on the description down below. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to watch the ROG keyboard on this channel.